Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V50e and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So we have to start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System Management. Then let's tap on System Navigation at the top, and of course I've got the gesture navigation set, but let's pretend I've got 3 button navigation. So as you can see here, you can not only change to the gestures but also customize the buttons. So for example, reorder back button and the recents, or change the icon style from the lines to let's say the shapes. So let's set the gestures. Basically just tap on this option and your device will immediately replace the 3 buttons with gestures. As you can see, we do not have anything here. Probably you will have this bottom bar, this line. Of course you can hide it right here, just tap on the switcher, and here you can customize the gestures. It's totally up to you. You can also go through the gesture navigation tutorial, but in a second I'll also explain how to use the gestures. So if you'd like to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device. If you can see this arrow, release the finger, and as you can see we just got back, and the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time elongate it and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.